Institutional capital just made a critical maneuver, signaling its conviction in the next phase of the tech rally. While the Street digests daily fluctuations, a record US listing by South Korea's SK hynix is revealing deeper structural shifts in the semiconductor supply chain, right as we brace for second quarter earnings. This isn't just another IPO. It's a key indicator for where the serious money is positioning ahead of potentially transformative earnings cycles. Let's first understand the core moat here. SK hynix is a global powerhouse in memory semiconductors, specifically DRAM and NAND flash. But what makes its recent US listing so significant is its leadership in high bandwidth memory, or HBM. This is the crucial, high-performance memory powering the AI revolution, directly impacting players like NVIDIA and Supermicro Computer. Their value proposition is no longer just commodity memory, it's the specialized engine for artificial intelligence. This structural moat comes from extreme R&D and manufacturing complexity. HBM isn't easily replicated. It requires years of development, massive capital expenditure, and highly specialized production facilities. This creates significant barriers to entry and consolidates market power among a few key players, with SK hynix at the forefront. This leadership in a critical AI component underpins its long-term asset insulation. Now, while specific quarterly results for SK hynix post-listing aren't in yet, the implication of this US listing, coming after a significant tech rally, is profound for its financial trajectory. The strong demand for HBM means a higher average selling price and improved margin potential compared to standard DRAM. We are looking at a potential phase of margin expansion driven by product mix, not just volume. This shifts the revenue metrics from cyclical swings to structural growth in premium segments. This focus on HBM provides strong forward earnings visibility, insulating the company from the more volatile legacy memory markets. As AI adoption accelerates, the demand for HBM isn't just growing, it's becoming inelastic. This premiumization of memory suggests that even as overall semiconductor cycles may fluctuate, SK hynix's specialized segments could continue to see robust growth, leading to more predictable earnings streams. That's a key factor institutional investors are watching. The US listing itself is a clear signal of management's execution strategy, global expansion and deeper integration into Western capital markets. This move provides access to a broader investor base and capital for aggressive expansion in HBM production. Their strategy isn't just about meeting current demand, it's about anticipating and dominating the next generation of AI infrastructure. This proactive capital allocation is critical for sustaining their competitive edge. Now look at how capital allocation shifts. This US listing empowers SK hynix to fund critical R&D and expand high-value production lines for HBM and next-gen memory. This isn't just about growth, it's about solidifying their position against competitors like Samsung and Micron Technology. The corporate guidance implied by this move points to continued heavy investment in advanced packaging and memory solutions, directly supporting the exponential growth in AI compute. The broader industry context is crucial. The semiconductor sector, historically cyclical, is now experiencing a profound structural tailwind from AI. The record US listing of SK hynix, happening alongside a broader tech rally, suggests that institutional conviction in this AI theme is strengthening. This isn't just a tech stock play, it's a bet on the fundamental rewiring of the global economy through artificial intelligence. We are seeing capital rotation into these foundational technologies. In this competitive landscape, SK hynix faces intense rivalry from Samsung Electronics and Micron Technology. However, Its early lead in HBM3 and HBM3E, which are critical for current-gen AI accelerators, gives it a distinct advantage. This positioning, especially with key customers like NVIDIA, provides a significant sector tailwind. The next signal will come from how aggressively competitors can close this HBM gap, or if SK hynix can further extend its lead. However, deep asset insulation doesn't mean zero risk. The primary vulnerability for SK hynix, despite its HBM strength, remains the inherent cyclicality of the broader memory market. While AI demand is robust, a sudden slowdown in general consumer electronics or enterprise IT spending could still create headwinds for its non-HBM segments. That's not the only signal. We must also consider the potential for oversupply in HBM if too many players rapidly scale up production, though current demand trends mitigate this near term. A bigger question regarding terminal risk comes from geopolitical tensions and regulatory pressure. The US-China tech rivalry continues to cast a long shadow over the semiconductor industry. Export controls and trade friction could disrupt supply chains or limit market access, directly impacting global players like SK hynix and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. This systemic headwind requires constant monitoring and could lead to unexpected cost inflation or market fragmentation. Looking ahead, the outlook for SK hynix and the broader HBM market appears robust. Forward earnings visibility remains strong, bolstered by continued investment in AI infrastructure globally. The US listing itself provides liquidity and optionality, allowing the company to further invest in advanced packaging and next-generation HBM. This is a multi-year thesis centered on the indispensability of high-performance memory for AI at scale. This structural demand shift warrants a careful valuation reassessment for the entire semiconductor memory sector. Companies like SK hynix, with their HBM dominance, may command higher multiples than historically observed for more cyclical memory plays. The market appears to be pricing in this accelerated growth and improved margin profile, but sustained execution and market share gains will be key to justifying these higher valuations. We are in a period of risk repricing. Considering the dynamics, SK hynix, through its recent US listing and HBM leadership, is squarely on breakout watch for institutional investors seeking exposure to the core of the AI revolution. While we acknowledge its historical cyclicality, its differentiated product mix warrants attention. However, investors should maintain a trim consideration perspective on broader, undifferentiated memory plays if they do not demonstrate similar structural advantages or sufficient capital allocation towards premium AI components. This demands a nuanced approach to capital rotation. Ultimately, the record US listing of SK hynix is more than just a headline, it's a strategic move reshaping the semiconductor landscape. It highlights where institutional capital sees durable growth, even amidst broader market digestion and impending earnings season. Understanding these underlying structural shifts is key to navigating volatility. For more institutional-grade analysis like this, ensure you're subscribed to SR Money News and hit that notification bell. We'll continue to track these critical market dislocations, bringing you the insights that move portfolios. Until next time, stay well and invest wisely.